My name is Thomas Bloom. I'm 64 years old. I had hip surgery done at Optimotion, Orthopaedics by Dr. Martinez.
Thank you, Optimotion and Dr. Martinez, for giving me Tom, my husband, back. It was a long haul getting him to have surgery, but once he did have surgery, it was easy going. He was up and about, doing things, and now he helps me take care of our grandchildren. He's back to playing golf and doing things around the house. So thank you, Optimotion and Dr. Martinez. We love you.
Yeah.
Where's Buddy?
What do you want to do?
Where's Buddy?
Say wave. Hi. Hi. Yeah. What I was surprised about was when I had my hip replacement, it was a one-day surgery. I was in the morning, out in the afternoon, went home that evening. Next day I got up, I was able to walk with no pain whatsoever. No pain medications, and 3 days later, the walker that I had, I put that in the garage and started walking without it. I decided to have the hip surgery replacement by Dr. Martinez because of the pain I was going through. It just wouldn't go away. It was lasting for months and months. I was at a point where I was taking 6 ibuprofen a day and still wasn't able to get rid of the pain, and my lifestyle wasn't there anymore. My first visit to Optimotion Orthopaedics, the girls at the desk was very warmly greeted. I followed Dr. Martinez from another practice over to Optimotion because of the thoroughness that he does, explaining the surgery, explaining what happens during the surgery, what's going to happen after the surgery. He lets you make the decision of when you want to have it done and explains everything to you thoroughly so you understand. He also told me about the anesthesiologist coming in and talking to me also. Because of Dr. Martinez and Optimotion Orthopedics, I'm able to play golf again.